As you can see here, it's written Brigi Acting Prime Minister Ogechukwu Nkere, right? This is his account on X. I'm not here to advertise it, but to tell you, Gentle, right? And Gentle's made a speech, made a comment to attack Different Liberation Army, where he was showing a and the screenshot, like what I'm saying, is here from this account on Facebook. On Facebook, belong to Gentle. So the account made it clear there that there are people subscribe to the channel. It's not going to be a long one. I just wanted to know the update of what is going on because Obanje Daman and Kipa as well. No, and we are not here to do that. We cannot be a partaker of that. The only thing I want us to understand that one of the reasons why we are doing what we're doing, like this platform supports truthfulness and honesty, no matter who will benefit from that. And we actually is or Biafra. And then this post